is the concept. How to solve my problems. Now see here, sir. Problems are damn easy if you know the concept. Now see here. M plus 1 by m minus 11 is 0. M cube plus 1 by m cube I need to find. Because I am finding m cube plus 1 by m cube, because I am finding m cube plus 1 by m cube, if I had the value of m plus 1 by m, if I had the value of m plus 1 by m as some constant k, then finding out m cube plus 1 by m cube is not at all a difficult task. First try to get this particular value m plus 1 by m. Now how to get it? In this equation, I don't want the denominator. So entire numerator I'll multiply by m minus 11. It is m into m minus 11 plus 1 into m minus 11 by m minus 11 cancels. Right hand side is 0 into m minus 11, 0. If I make this as quadratic equation, this becomes m into m is m square. Just a minute, sir. It is m square minus 11m plus 1 equal to 0, and I am damn sure that whenever you get a quadratic equation, you know how to get it very easily. Because it is plus sign for the constant, I am actually finding m plus 1 by m, and the middle coefficient is minus 11. Shift it to the right hand side, it becomes plus 11. Now I know the value of m plus 1 by m as 11. M cube plus 1 by m cube, is it a difficult task? I am sure that it is not a difficult task. It is k cube minus 3k. It is 11 cube minus 3 into 11. 11 cube is 1331 minus 33. 1331 minus 33. It is 1298. Answer for this question can be easily got as 1298, and that is nothing but your option C. I hope the idea is clear, sir. Or if you are little smart also, you don't even have to subtract these two values. See, all this comes by practice. All this comes by practice and the way you think. That's all. See here, sir. From this 1331, I am subtracting a positive number. Answer cannot be negative. Fourth option ruled out. From this 1331, I am subtracting something. So answer cannot be greater than 1331. Second option is ruled out. From this 1331, I am subtracting very small number called as 33. Answer cannot go extra. Answer cannot go less than 1000. It is ruled out. First option is ruled out. Only one option 1298 is left out. These are all common sense. See, anyway, 1331 minus 33 is not a very big deal to subtract. It's very simple actually. But having said that, I want to teach you some more things so that you will think in your examination all, and probably you will save time. I hope this question is very clear for you people, sir. Question number 57. Now see here, sir. See here, very easy question. To be honestly saying it to you, this is an exam paper question, right? It's an examination question. See here, sir. Same question I am putting on the screen. I am solving right now. The question is, if the average of two numbers p and 1 by p is a, here p is not equal to 0, right? Here p is not equal to 0. Then average of p cube and 1 by p cube is how much? Now see here, average is nothing but sum of the quantities by number of quantities. You know it. There are only two quantities, p and 1 by p. So average is nothing but p plus 1 by p divided by 2. And that average is given as a. That means from this can I say it as p plus 1 by p is nothing but 2 times of a, right? It is nothing but 2 times of a. Find the average of p cube plus 1 by p cube. That means p cube plus 1 by p cube whole thing divided by 2. This is what they are asking. Now first of all, this divided by 2 will be as it is, right? Now I know the value of p plus 1 by p as 2a. Finding out p cube plus 1 by p cube is not at all a difficult task. I am sure that it is not a difficult task. So this is nothing but k cube minus, how much it is? K cube minus 3k, sorry sir, k cube minus 3k, right? So value is k cube minus 3k, k value is 2a. 2a whole cube is 8a cube minus 3k, 3 into 2a is 6a, right? It is 6a, divide by 2. 8a cube by 2 is nothing but 4a cube minus 6a by 2 is nothing but 3a. Final answer is 4a cube minus 3a, which is nothing, sorry, 4a cube, yes, it is minus 3a itself. Which option is satisfying? Answer which is satisfying is option B. Right answer for this question is option B. Now, this is one of the method that you can implement. This method also is a very easy method, sir. It is not at all a difficult method, but if some other students say that, so no sir, I want to learn other method also, you can follow this method as well. What is this method? This is also a very easy method, sir. Now see here, instead of solving by variables, put some numerical value. Suppose for example, if I put p value as 1, right, if I put p value as 1, question says average of p and 1 by p is a. That means p value is 1. 1 plus 1 by 1 divided by 2. This value is given in the question as a, right? This is given in the question as a. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 by 2 is how much? 1. Because I took p value 1, I am also getting a value 1, right? I am also getting a value 1. Question says, what is the average of p cube plus 1 by p cube? P cube plus 1 by p cube by 2 value is how much? Can I say that p value I took it as 1. 1 plus 1 by 1 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. That means my final answer should also be 1. Check out from the answer options. Now we know that a value is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. It is not equal to 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. Not equal to 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Not equal to 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. This should be the correct answer. Either apply a variable based learning, that is nothing but method 1, or apply a methodology which will make use of numbers instead of variables, that is method 2. You decide which is the best method according to your convenience and take it forward. I hope the idea is very clear for you people, sir. Next, question number 58. Question number 58. Now see here, question says m plus 1 divided by m plus 3 is equal to 1. They are asking you m plus 3 whole cube plus 1 by m plus 3 whole cube minus 4 value we need. Now see here, these kind of questions we have already solved it, sir. Here it is m plus 3. Here also it is m plus 3. Here also it is m plus 3. Then why not m plus 3 here? Make it here also m plus 3. That means you added 3 on the left hand side. Add 3 on the right hand side also. Right hand side becomes 1 plus 3, 4. That means in simple language can I say that m plus 3, let me call it as x for time being. If you are getting confused, let me call it. Otherwise you can directly solve it, sir. X plus 1 by x is 4. X cube plus 1 by x cube minus 4 value they are asking. X cube plus 1 by x cube is, it is k cube minus 3k. 4 cube minus 3 into 4. Minus 4 in the question, I will write it as it is. 64 minus 16. Answer is 48. These are all very easy once you understand the previous questions what I have solved. Otherwise you will think that these are all very questions and probably you will make use of solving these questions in a much more longer duration. Please try to avoid so much of extra steps. Very easily you can solve these questions. Question number 59. Now see here, this is a very good question. Very good question, but once again a very easy question. Now see here, 59. If root p plus 1 by root p is equal to root 19, that means, can I say that root p is nothing but p power 1 by 2 plus 1 by root p is nothing but 1 by p power 1 by 2 is equal to root 19, right, is equal to root 19. Now question is, p root p plus 1 by p root p is how much? This is p power 1. Root p is p power half. P power 1 into p power half. It is p power 3 by 2. Right? It is p power 3 by 2 plus 1 by p power 3 by 2. This is equal to how much? This is what they are asking. Now, whatever we have solved till now, I hope you understood whatever we have solved till now, sir. This particular question, 58th previous question, x plus 1 by x value is given in the question as 4 and they are asking you x cube plus 1 by x cube value is how much? Power of x is 1. Here also power of x is 1 and the power 1 is becoming 3. That means power is multiplied by 3. Here also power is multiplied by 3. X cube plus 1 by x cube is, it is k cube minus 3k. Right? This you are aware of. same logic here also. This is what I said sometime before. Don't look at some powers and tell to yourself that the question itself is difficult because they are awkward powers. The question is very simple. Power is 1 by 2. Here the power is 3 by 2. That means the power is getting multiplied by 3 times. Here also the power is getting multiplied by 3 times. That means in simple language, your answer is nothing but k cube minus 3k. K cube minus 3k is nothing but k value is root 19. Root 19 whole cube minus 3 times of root 19. Root 19 whole cube is root 19 whole square into root 19. Root 19 whole square is nothing but 19. Right? 19 root 19 minus 3 root 19. 19 root 19 minus 3 root 19 is nothing but 16 root 19. Now, instead of doing all these things and wasting our time once again in the examination, we came to know that answer is 16 root 19, which is absolutely correct. But you don't need to write all these values and waste your time in the examination, sir. It is very, very simple. If possible, try to remember this statement, what I am trying to say right now. This statement, whatever I am trying to say is, whenever the question condition is root x plus 1 by root x is given as the root of something. It can be root anything. It need not be root 19 itself. It can be root 21, root 24, root 27, root 16 or root 12, root 13, anything it can be. It is very simple to find p root or x root x plus 1 by x root x. How? Because it is nothing but root 19, right? This is nothing but root 19. The multiplying factor for root 19 will be 3 less than 19 without a square root. So it is 19 minus 3, 16. That means instead in the question, if it is instead of root 19, if it is given in the question as root 13, answer will be 10 root 13. I hope it is clear. 3 less than 13 is how much? 10 only, right? Instead, suppose if the question, instead of root 19, if the question it is given something like 342, answer will be 339 into 342 under the square root, right? 339 is without the square root. 342 will be as it is inside the square root. Suppose in the question right hand side, instead of root 19, it is given as root 20. Answer is 17 into root 20. I hope the idea is clear. Now, you might ask me a question. Sir, you are just making a statement. I don't want just to carry forward your statement. I want a proof of it. Let me prove you also, sir, because these are all something I want you people to learn it right now itself. Now, the given condition is something like this: x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by x power 1 by 2. In the question they gave it as root 19. In general I am taking it as root k, right? Root k. Now I am interested in finding x power 3 by 2. X power 3 by 2 plus 1 by x power 3 by 2. 1 minute, sir. Just a minute, it's not writing. Okay, yes. X power 3 by 2 plus 1 by x power 3 by 2. Now, we know that the power is getting tripled. That means answer will be of the form, what is that? Right hand side whole cube minus 3 into right hand side. So, root k whole cube minus 3 into k, right? 3 into root k, not 3 into k, 3 into root k. Now, this can be written as root k whole cube is k into root k minus 3 into root k. If I take root k common factor, it becomes k minus 3. That means whatever is inside the square root, whatever number is present inside the square root, subtract 3, and that will be the multiplying factor of that third square root of k. That means inside the square root, if it is root of 26, your final answer in this case will become 23 into root 26. I hope you are understanding, sir. The questions will be like this in your exam, and you can solve it so simple. So easily you can solve all these questions. Trust me, you don't need to write all these things at all. Trust me, take my words, you don't need to write. Looking into a question, you should immediately judge, oh, this is given as root 19, right? Okay, question condition is p root p into 1 by p root 3. Okay, this is nothing but subtraction of 3. It is 19 minus 3, 16 root 19. Where is the option? Option A. Mark it. Over. That is how fast you should be. That is how fast. and trust me, that will come by practice. See the next question. See the next question. Same logic. You don't need to scratch your head, sir. You don't at all need to scratch your head if you are good in shortcuts. Power is 15. Question says 45. 15 3 times is 45. I hope you are understanding. 15 3 times is 45. Here also power is 15. Question says 45. 15 3 times is 45. That means answer is right hand side is 9. It is k cube minus 3k. 9 cube minus 27. 729 minus 27. Answer is 702, which is option C. Very fast you can solve it. And see here, sir. Again I am saying you, these are all shorter and smartest way of solving. You actually don't need to subtract 729 and 77. In fact, 729 minus 27 is not at all a difficult subtraction. It is as simple as it can be. But still, having said that, I am teaching you another way. See here. You are subtracting something from 729. Definitely it will be less than 729. It will not be equal to 729. So that means option A is ruled out. Option A is straightforward ruled out. Similarly, because you are subtracting something from 729, answer can definitely not be greater than 729. Options B and D are ruled out. Only one option, option C is left out. Answer is 702. Anyway, it's not difficult subtraction to find out 729 and 27 difference. It's very simple. But having said that, your ability to think and solve it in the answer options, your ability to think and make use of answer option determine your success level in your aptitude reasoning examinations. And trust me, that is how you need to think or to clear an aptitude examination. Not just by using some stupid subtractions or additions method and waste your time. Yes, it is easy to subtract, but I don't want you to do that unless and until you have all the options which are matching some criteria. I hope the idea is clear for you, sir. Question number 61. Question number 61. Again, our previous models what we had solved earlier, similar to that only is what we have right now. If m plus 1 by 16m is equal to 1, 64m cube plus 1 by 64m cube is equal to how much? Now, this can be written as 64m cube is nothing but 4m whole cube. 1 by 64m cube is 1 divided by 4m whole cube. Now, it is, think logically, sir. Little logical thinking can make you solve the question so easy. Now, suppose if I have 4m plus 1 by 4m value as some constant k. If 4m plus 1 by 4m value is known to me as some constant k, then finding out 4m cube plus 1 by 4m whole cube is not at all a difficult task. It is just nothing but k cube minus 3k. But question is not given in 4m plus 1 by 4m format. Question is given as m plus 1 by 16m format. It is given in a completely different format, sir. Right? Question is given as m plus 1 by 16m format. But I know that I want to reduce it to 4m plus 1 by 4m. Very simple. Coefficient of m, I want it to be 4. But here it is not 4. Make it as 4. Make the entire left hand side get multiplied by 4. Simultaneously right hand side also multiply by 4. So this entire thing becomes 4 into m. It is 4m plus 4 into 1 by 16. It is 1 by 4m. Now I know the value of 4m plus 1 by 4m equals as 1 into 4, 4. I know this particular value. If I know this, finding out this value is definitely not a difficult task. It is just nothing but k cube minus 3k. Answer is 4 cube minus 3 into 4. 64 minus 12. Answer for this, once again an easy question. Answer for this question is 64 minus 12 is nothing but how much? 52. Answer for this question is how much, sir? It is 52. Very, very easy. Question number 62. Question number 62. Now see here. Once again the same variety of question what I am solving. This was asked in your CPO examination paper. Right? This was asked in your CPO. Now see here, sir. Listen to this carefully. Question number 62. p plus 1 by 25p equal to 1. 125p cube plus 125 1 by 125p cube is equal to question mark. Sir, what is this, sir? This looks like a mixed fraction, right, sir? Yes, it is a mixed fraction. Now see here, sir. I am sure you all know this. Let me take one or two examples. Suppose if I have a mixed fraction, something called as 3 4 by 5. 3 4 by 5 can be written as 3 plus 4 by 5. I am sure you know this, you have learnt it in your school days. Suppose I have something called as 9 6 by 8, for example. This can be written as 9 plus 6 by 8. Similarly, here also I have something called as 125 plus 125 1 by 125p cube. This can be written as 125 plus, that plus let me write it here, 1 by 125p cube. I hope you are understanding. This 125p cube, I will write it as it is. I will write it as it is. That means this question reduces to 125p cube is 5p whole cube plus 1 by 125p cube is 1 by 5p whole cube. For this term I am just adding that 125 extra in according to the question. This is what you are asked to find. Now again it is exactly similar to question number 61. Exactly similar. What is that they want you? They want you to find 5p whole cube plus 1 by 5p whole cube. That means, can I say that if I know the value of 5p plus 1 by 5p as some constant k, then finding out 5p whole cube plus 1 by 5p whole cube is definitely not a difficult task. So I want to reduce the question to this format. Question is not like that. Question coefficient of p is 1, but I want the coefficient of p to be 5. Multiply on the left side, multiply on the right side. That means 5 into p is 5p, 5 into 1 by 25p is 1 by 5p, right hand side is 1 into 5, it is 5. If this is known to me, then this particular marked one, 5p whole cube plus 1 by 5p whole cube is k cube 125 whole cube, sorry, 5 cube minus 3 into 5. 5 cube minus 5 plus 125. That means 125 plus 125. It is 250. From 250 subtract 15. Answer is 235. These are all very easy questions, sir. I think by now you should be very comfortable with this varieties of questions. See the next question. Question number 63. Question number 63. Very much, pretty much similar to my previous questions. This is what we need to find. Let us not waste too much of time. 64 by 8 is 8. M power 6 by M power 3 is M power 3. Plus 1 by 8 M power 3. 1 by 8 M power 3. Further can be reduced as 2M whole power 3. 2M whole power 3. Plus 1 by 2m whole cube. This is what they are asking you to find. For this to be, for me to find this value, I should first know 2m plus 1 by 2m value. I should first know 2m plus 1 by 2m value. But that means coefficient of m should be 2. But here it is 1. Multiply by 2. What is the difficulty? It becomes 2m plus 2 into 1 by 4m. It is 1 by 2m. Right hand side is 2 into 5 by 2. It is nothing but 5. I know this value as 5. So this value will be equal to k cube. 5 cube minus 3 into 5. 125 minus 15. It is 110. Sir, again and again I am saying it to you. You don't even deserve a pen to solve all these varieties of questions. They are damn easy. They are damn easy. Trust me, you can crack your SSC exam or any other exam which you are appearing for. Aptitude is damn easy. Forget about they are. They are is what I refer to as these kind of questions. But trust me, forget about only referring to these kind of questions. Aptitude itself is damn easy. It is very much easy, provided you know some beautiful shortcuts in solving those questions. I hope whatever we have solved till now, till 63rd question, starting from the first question, and before starting the first question we have discussed so many extra things which are helping us to solve many questions. I think everything what we have discussed is very clear till this point of time, sir.